This is way under rehearsed, but I was like, hey man, why don't you just come out? Like when I tell you under rehearsed, I mean like not rehearsed. He's a fantastic artist, and this is going to be something. That means something. Living on the road, my friend, it's gonna keep you free and clean. Lay away your skin like where the stars kerosene. Once you mother's on the road, they won't see us. So get a crowd and say goodbye. Sinking to the end. Poncho's a bandit boy. What's gun outside his pants for all the honest world to feel. Poncho is that you know the deserts down in Mexico. No words, not in words. Oh, that's the way you go. Used to just Poncho being outside, ended up in left his man. They old Poncho alone, left his slip around, where they got afraid to go. There ain't no favorite verse of the song. Drunk Merle Haggard is a great Merle Haggard. Oh, Stanley Poncho fell, left his liver in a cheap hotel. There's his cloud in Cleveland's cold. So the story ends where told. Poncho's gonna need your friend, it's true. Save you for left it too. You only did that too.
I suppose.